Let's discuss how you can cover certain things, because even though you have the structure elements over there, sometimes you want to cover them, but you don't want to make them disappear. You just want to make them hide for a while.
Yeah. So let me load this a little bit more complex roof shape, because there is another thing that I'm about to talk, and it's the ending.
Yes.
So talking about the decoration. The decoration is something that, if it's conceptual, it's easy, it's just a texture, but it's coming to the detailing side, and we would like to use these wooden planks or decorated profiles and so on, then we should use the sweep tool. Now this sweep tool is in the interior, but it's not only for interior purposes, it's for any sort of decoration purpose. It's simply because when you use the sweep tool, you can select a surface, and then you can select edges, and the same thing happens when you are in an interior. You can just go and find the room contours and the window contour and so on. So this way you draft the path. You say, okay, I'm fine with that, but I'm not fine with the cross section. And the cross section is again something that you can set up here. You can select from a range of cross sections, or actually you can create your own cross section. Now I don't have a cross section created already in this drawing, so I'm about to create like something
very thin, but at the same time it should be covering the whole thing.
Something like this, for example.
Just use the regular 2D drafting tools to do that.
Yeah. Let's just go with this. I'm happy with that. This will be the snapping point. See, that's the most highlighted point. That's how it's guided through the line. And there is another thing, and it's the ending here. It's sometimes it should not be just a vertical cut. It is controlled here. This is not a perpendicular ending for me, but perhaps a vertical ending, and it's a vertical ending here as well. And I'm saying, okay, now the software has created that. And I can, again, position it, change the hotspots, change the reference lines, and I can decorate the whole thing around like this.
How about rafter endings?
And the rafter endings are something that they are controlled within the software, within the roof structure itself. So if I go into the details, I will find the rafter, and there is the ending, and there is the user profile. This is something that I have created or I have selected. This is different from the cross-section profile. So if I click here, I can find that, okay, there is something called profile 4, and it looks like this. Actually, the software is coming with built-in ending profiles. I can select this, I can select this, I can select this. And when I do that, I say okay, I can click OK, the software will update that for me, and I can actually create these profiles. These are what we call open profiles. They are not like for closed loops for cross sections or something, but they're for endings, and there is a dedicated tool in ARCHLine to be able to create open profiles and as well, and you can save them.